Alright, squad. Buckle up because the Pixel 10 drop is breathing down our necks. August 20th is circled in every calendar. But Google, being Google, just slapped a teaser video front and center on the store homepage. Can't blame them, they? No, we're salivating. Visually, it's deja vu from the Pixel 9 era, until you clock that new bluish Moonstone flex. It's not last year's pastel snooze. It's a deep, dreamy twist that makes obsidian and porcelain look like wallflowers. Pro tip, Jade's back for the 10 Pro, ditching hazel, while Lemonchello and indigo are here to throw it back to the OG really blue stands. But wait, there's more than just eye candy. Leaks confirm a triple cam setup on the base. Model, meaning Google probably slimmed the main sensor a tad to pack in that telephoto lens. That's a power move blurring the line between the vanilla and Pro. And yes, rumors are swirling about a full Pixel 10 lineup, the OG 10, the souped up 10 Pro XL, and even a Pro Fold plus fresh smartwatch and earbud drops. So, what's your vibe on these bold hues ready to rock Lemonchello or chilling with frost? Sound off below.